Hi Adorners, let's make our Downton Abbey inspired egg salad and cucumber sandwiches. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. Please remember to click like and subscribe. So I was inspired to create a high tea setup by the Downton Abbey. This is the kitchen. We loved it so much in the series. And so I paid a visit to my local fresh market to see some of the beautiful items that they have. They had a lot of items for picnics and things like that in family meals, which I was really surprised. But I went there. Of course, they have beautiful prepared like chicken cordon bleu and things like that. But I wanted to go to check out the little tiny cakes and the pastries, of course, in the bakery area. And of course, the international area that they have so many beautiful cookies and shortbreads and scones and things like that. And so anyway, so let's get started with our egg salad. So we want to make sure we have a large pot. We're going to boil our eggs. We're going to bring them to a boil, and then we're going to turn them off and let them sit for 10 minutes. Once they've sat for 10 minutes, they should be ready to peel. Then we need our ingredients. Of course, we have our mayo, our mustard, our salt and pepper, maybe a little parsley for egg salad sandwiches. All right, we want to be sure to cut off the crust first. We have white bread. You can use wheat, whatever you feel like, but cut off the crust first. All right, so we're going to cut off the crust of our bread, and using a serrated knife, we're going to use about a tablespoon or two of egg salad in our bread, put it on our bread, and slice diagonally in the middle. Then we're going to start our cucumber sandwiches. All right, we need our ingredients. We have our cucumbers, our cream cheese, our little bit of mayo, our dill, fresh dill, salt and pepper. Okay, that's something that is a little different, the fresh dill. All right, and then we are going to mix it all together and slice our our cucumbers. We're going to slice our cucumbers. Our cucumbers can be sliced in various ways. You can slice them diagonally or horizontally. It's up to you. All right, and then we had our fresh white bread as well. All right, and then we're going to slice them. You can actually cut your sandwiches into squares, rectangles, or even triangles. This is my setup. I actually got some scones I got the scones at Publix. These are my cucumber and egg salad sandwiches. I used my grandmother's china for the Downton Abbey video. I really enjoyed doing that video. If you haven't watched it, please go over and check it out. It's I think it was pretty fun and funny, and it's a different perspective on what Downton Abbey, the new era, was all about. Anyway, so as always, I would love for you to watch my videos. Thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe and watch my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.